Hello everyone. If you want to create your website or if you want to make your website, then here is a person who will design or create website for you. So you can see its rating, and here you can see. And you can see his profile. You can create for desktop, or he will create a responsive ready, and he will provide you unlimited revision, premium WordPress themes, premium WordPress plugins, and you can see all of them are here. So fully responsive and professional looking, and fifth, security plugin, yeast video, and you can see here. And you can see its review, which are also positive. So let me show you this. You can see. You can see here, these are responses. So you can create website for you. I will give the description, a link in the description, so check out from there. So okay, thanks for watching.